is to stand up and talk for my rights. I know what that is. See? And I don't care who the guy is. Because my right is my right.
Welcome to Ask the Lawyer with Brian Figueroa of the law firm of Figueroa and Associates for a no-obligation legal consultation on issues such as immigration, personal injury, bankruptcy, divorce, family law, estate planning, wills and probate, deed transfers, civil rights, criminal defense, workers' compensation, and taxes, both individual and business. Call us at 855-768-8845. That's 855-768-8845. Or visit us at www.askthelawyer.us. That's www.askthelawyer.us. This is Ask the Lawyer. You have questions, we got the answers.
Good day, good day, good day. My name is Brian Figueroa of the law firm Figueroa and Associates. This is Ask the Lawyer. You got questions, we got answers. The number to call, the number to keep, the number to share is 855-768-8845. Again, 855-768-8845. Salis and Associates, Mr. Salis, immigration lawyer, has been disbarred. Praise the Lord. And why do I say praise the Lord? Because the victims are people in our community, poor immigrants from all over the world. The Caribbean, Africa, Latin America. Sprinkling some white folks there, maybe. I don't know. And one of the discussions that we have had many times here on our radio show with various presentations that we make with the various consulates, churches, and other organizations is, when is malpractice fraud? When are you being defrauded? When is it malpractice? And the reason that we want to make those distinctions is because one of them is a crime. So an attorney that is stupid, that's malpractice. And malpractice could lead to disbarment. If it is fraud, that could lead to prison time. He was indicted and he was exonerated, meaning that it never went to a criminal issue. Hence the reason one of our seminar topics on immigration issues, and you could register for that free seminar, is when is malpractice fraud? As I've said to you, my listeners, many times, just one consultation with the law firm Figueroa and Associates, we could tell you what your legal rights are. We could give you your path to legalization. We could obviously work with you with your wills, trust, estate planning. We could tell you if your wife or your husband is going to take you to the cleaners in a divorce. Yeah, it's cheaper to keep her. It's cheaper to keep him sometimes. So, sometimes in matrimonial matters, sometimes, the aggressive party has most of the money that they will end up giving their spouse, but they didn't realize that until late. So their aggression made their spouse a person who doesn't want to compromise. Yes. So a consultation is extremely important, and a consultation is supposed to give you the information that you need so that you could achieve your legal goals in the fastest time possible and at an affordable, reasonable price. Today, I did a PC conference, matrimonial matter, and the judge, he's in Kings County. I really liked him. He was on the point. He explained to both clients, both parties, plaintiff and defendant, that, hey, if you could come to some agreement, this marriage is falling apart, why pay the lawyers all that money fighting each other? So yes, you all don't want to sleep together anymore. Yes, you all hate each other now. You may or may not have children, you may or may not have assets, but once you get into that matrimonial court, it is in your best interest to cooperate as much as possible. That is why when clients come in and they say, I want to destroy that other person, I tell them destruction costs a lot of money. And we have to be prudent. We have to be smart. We have to be calculative. And when you go to consultations and an attorney is offering you a solution that doesn't sound right, maybe you should, be more attentive. Get another consult. That's why we always say getting more than one consultation is important. Getting a consultation with an attorney that does a lot of work in that practice area is important. We have been practicing immigration law here at the law firm of Figueroa & Associates for a quarter century. If you don't know what a quarter century is, that's 25 years, yes. And the experience that we have had at all levels, all practice areas in immigration could be beneficial to you. Do not make emotional decisions, make informed decisions. And Mr. Salis, who was disbarred, a lot of people came to our office and we encouraged them to file grievances. Why? Because his behavior was unprofessional. If you are one of those victims, give us a call. The number to call, the number to keep, the number to share is 855-768-8845. Again, 855-768-8845. Come in, we'll do a consult and see how we hopefully could help you as a victim. Ali Louison, deceased from Grenada, defrauded thousands of clients by filing fraudulent VAWA applications, the Violence Against Women's Act. It's actually a law that Senator Biden brought into existence as law in 1994, I believe it is, yes. And it's supposed to help abused women, abused men, abused children to put them on the path to legalization. A lot of these people that he represented, and he's not a lawyer, he's what we call the notario, in English, notary, that took advantage of people's desperation to get a work permit so that they could work here in the U.S. or solve an illegal entry that they had in the U.S. so they could legalize here. As I said, many in the hundreds are people who have been placed in deportation. If you are a victim of Ali Louison, if you got a green card through Ali Louison, you may have gotten that green card, but you may not become a U.S. citizen when they dig deeper. Come in for a consultation. Give us a call if you have been a victim of that gentleman, whose office actually was across the street from Congresswoman Yvette Clarke. That's hard to swallow, but I guess it is what it is. We need our elected officials to understand all politics are local. Ms. Clarke never called our office. We had it on our publications. We talk about it on radio for her to come and say something on Mr. Ali Louison. And when we say politics is local, what does that mean? I don't care what she does in Congress. I don't care what laws she may pass, if she passed any. But you're supposed to know what's happening in your backyard. And a lot of times these elected officials don't even know what's happening in their front yard, far less their backyard. So please, give us a call on any legal matter. Again, the number to call, the number to keep, the number to share is 855-768-8845. Again, 855-768-8845. Call, get your consultation, and we will work with you. Peace.
Do you have a legal issue, question, or concern? Turn to Ask the Lawyer. You have questions? We've got answers. For a consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us. You can also register for our paralegal program, get legal news, business consults, or other information on educational issues. Yes, Ask the Lawyer. You have questions? We've got answers. For a consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us.